Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be discussing my assignments I've created in the web development course. So the first we were assigned to create some HTML websites. So first is we have to create a share your travel website. This is how the output must look like. So let's run its code. This is the code for my this website. Let's run this. Here it is. As you can see, this is what it is same as shown, and all three images got enlarged when I click on it. So let's move forward to the second project. Second project is to create a CRM website which must look like this. So let's look at its code. This is the code for my second website, CRM website. So let's run it. It is basically the same as this one. So the last project of this chapter is to create an art store which must look like this. So let me show you the code for this art store. This is the code. This is how the code of this art store looks like. So let's run this code, and this is the output. This is the website I have designed. So now let's move forward to the next project. So in the next project, we were assigned to create a CSS file and then link to these projects. So after doing some styling to my first share your travel website, this is what it should look like. So let me show you. We were also assigned to create a reset.css file which must reset all the browser default formatting. So here it is the HTML file, which is basically the same as I've already shown you, and this is the CSS file I have shown you. This is the CSS file for this. So let's run this. So let's run this. Here it is. The photos got enlarged, still got enlarged, and this is the output. So the next is to style. The next project is to style this CRM. This is how it should look like. So let's go through its code. Mm, This is the HTML file for the CRM, and it's the styling file, CSS file. I've done all the styling and added comments so that a person looking at this code could understand what these are. So let's run this code and see if our output looks same or not. So here it is. Now we have all the things the same. The output is same. So the last project of this chapter is to create a web store like this. We have to style the art store that we have already created. So let's go through its code. This is the HTML file, which is the same as we have shown here. I have added a background image, and then let's go through the CSS file. So this is how the file looks like. So let's run this in the web browser and see. So here you can see it is same. So let's go to the fourth chapter. In this, we were assigned to create some tables and forms. So the first project is to create. We have to create a CRM website. So we have to create calendar and then add some field set and legend element for the form. So let's look at the code. Mm, Here it is. So we have to create a CSS file, reset CSS file. So here is the code to the browser for the first website. So I've made a calendar by using label, and then I've created a form below the calendar. This is the HTML code, and now look at the CSS file. Here it is. I've added stylings to both table and form, and then added a submit button at the end. So let's run this. It's taking some time. So this is how it looks like. So let's go through this and see if it runs. this is what we get. There are not post variables. So this is what the output looks like, and it's same. So the next project is to create art store, which must look like this. So let's go through it. Um, this is the HTML code. I have made an action section, and then search section, and then a painting table, and this is all the code for the painting table. This is HTML file. Let's go through the CSS file. This is here I have styled buttons, and then table, and then container box, and then last row. So let's run this file. So I will liberty leading people. Achieve the genre is innocence, and I have to create all this. Then apply. Here you can see liberty leading 1, filters 2, no post variables, which is same. This out this. So next project is to create share your travel forms. This is how it should look like. Let's go through its code. Um, this is the HTML file. I've created a form section in the field set, some title and description, a continent, country, and city section, copyright section, software license, date and time section. I've buttons. This is the CSS file. I've done some styling to form, some labels, field set. I've done styling to sections and the buttons also, as you can see on the screen. This is the code. So now let's run this project. This is how it is. Because I ran it earlier, so all the data that I filled in is coming is showing on the screen. So let's submit it and see. And it highlighted that I haven't checked this box. So and then you can see I got all the output. So now let's move to uh, chapter number 6. In this, we were assigned to create some JavaScript code. So we is first is simple login form pre-validation. We have to check if any of this is not if the any of the field is left empty, it must make them red. So now look at the code. So is this? Yes, it is. So let's go through the first HTML file. So this is the code. I've created all the sections and um, tables. This is the code, and here is the CSS file where I've done some styling to this page, and then this I have JavaScript file. I have also added instructions that we can know where we have done this, we have implemented them. So this is all. So let's run this HTML file. Let me show you. I have also, okay, there it is. So let's keep it empty and check it. So it's indicating. So if let's type hello, and as soon as I typed in, the red bar goes off, and then same goes with this and this. So this is how pre-validation is done. I was showing you that I have linked a reset file, a styling sheet, and JavaScript file. So let's go to the second project, which was to create a node highlighting helper script. So basically, we have to highlight each node what it is. So let's go through it. This is the HTML code. I have made a calendar section and then a form section. So here I have done the styling to both calendar section to the table and the form I've created. Let me show you something. I have linked a CSS file, and here I have linked the JavaScript file. So I've shown you this, and then let me show you the this. This is the JavaScript file for the code. So here it is. Let's run this code. So it's highlighting. This is the table, and this is head, and this is the body or row, and this table data, the legend, and the div. This is form, field set, label, and the p and r. It is showing. It is highlighting all the nodes. So the last project is to create a progressive enhancement art gallery. This is how when would we like to hover over the images, they should show, they should enlarge. So let's go to the code. So here is chapter number this is the HTML file. I've linked all three files, styling files and JavaScript file. Created a table in the form. Oh, sorry, basically it's a form, not table. Sorry. And this is the JavaScript code. I've added comments so that you can know where I have implemented all the instructions, each and every instruction. So let's run this and see if it works. So whenever I hover over it, it is enlarging. Let's check all the pictures. It's all are enlarging. And no, this is the end of the page. So it allows us to scroll down. So now let me show you my Coursera assignment, which we were assigned. So we have to style a pre-existing website, which we have created in module 1, which goes by name homework 1. So in this homework 2, we have to create a new version of homework 1 and then add a skip to the main button each page, and then style it. So this is how our website should look like. This is the second page, neighborhood box, and then this is the third page. So let's here our steps are given. So now let me show you my uh, code. So here it is. So this is the first index.html. Then I have added all the images and some text. This is the code to the second page where we have added a lot of images, and then third page or also link some CSS in the CSS file. So here are all the. So let me show you my CSS file. So this is the CSS file which I have added in all these pages. So let's run this. So here is skip to the main content button, and this is it, how it's look like. So let me check this, and it is skipping to the main content. So it's go to the second page, which is neighborhood box. Images are loading, taking some time to load. So whenever I hover on every image, it enlarges a bit. So let's then skip to the main content button. So now it's working fine. Here is the third page. So same goes with this. When you hover over these images, they got enlarged. So just skip to the main content button. It's working fine. Here is the game I have created. It is typically it is basically a maze game in which the key must find its way to the house. So this is the HTML code, and then here I have JavaScript code. I did some functions. Here I've done all and added the. These are all the. Here's the code. Pretty much code. So this is the code and styling. I've done all the styling. So let's run this. So I have made 4 parts. This is the easy one, then the medium, then hard and extreme. Let's test this easy one first. So it's working. When here are the instructions which shows you the that oh I got trapped. So here is the when you completed it, it says congratulations, you are done. You have moved these new steps and cool. Whenever you cool button, it will show you, and then you have to click the start again to start, and the base will change. So this is easy and medium. Then we have to click start. And this the medium one got a bit complicated. Then click start. Then hard is way too complicated, and then extreme start. And this is what uh, you can see. The key move with the help of arrow keys. So I don't know if I got trapped. So let's move toward to the final project. So here is my final project for this course. Basically, I have created a burger shop. So let's go to the. So this is the HTML file. I have included some a remix icon library for icon. Then here is link to the external CSS file. Then some HTML code in which I have created navigation bar, some logos, menu button, special banner section, menu section in which the menu items will be showing, then event section which displays all the ongoing events, and then reverse section, reservation section. I have created a reservation form so that customers can make online booking, and the background images for reservation section, then photo section which displays some the information of the page or shop and some contact details. So let's move toward the CSS file. Here I've done the stylings to the section, description, buttons, Then I've done styling to the anchor links, image to make them responsive, smooth scrolling for the entire page. We have so I have added scroll behavior smooth. I've set fonts, and then same goes with all the tags. So there is a lot of styling. I've styled each and everything so that our website look responsive and attractive to the customers. So this is the styling. So let's go to the um, JavaScript file. So I have um, done all this code. I have added event listener, add event listener to the menu button. Then scroll reveal animations. This is the JavaScript file. So let's run this code and see what our website looks like. So this is the website. So this is the home page, and let's test this buttons. So this is showing home. Then what are the specials? So it moves to. However, you can scroll, but you can also select from the main menu. This is a footer. I have added all the descriptions and the links to the socials and email. Let's go to test this. It is taking you to the menu page, then events, and then contact us, where you can reserve your table. So these were my assignments and project for this course. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching my video.